Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will talk about a special built-in variable called as name in Python programming language. We will see what it is, what it contains, and how we can use it in our program. This name is a special built-in variable that is available in Python, which helps us to understand how a Python script is being used. We will able to understand whether the Python script is being run directly as a standalone program or whether the Python script is being imported as a module by another script. So what happens is when a Python script or a file containing the Python code is executed, the Python language sets this variable with some specific values. If the Python file is run directly as a standalone program, then this variable will get the value of __main__. If the Python file is imported as a module by another script, then this variable will get the value of the name of the file or the name of the module, which is hello in this case. So in this example, it will get hello. Now, in order to explain this, what I have done is I have created two files in this code folder. One is called as hello.py, another one is called as program.py. Both of these files will be empty. We will start working from here. Now, what I will do is in this hello.py, I will use the print statement and I will say this code is running from hello.py. So I will say hello.py here. And then what I will do is I will try to access the value of this name built-in variable. And after doing that, what I will do, I will save the program and I will run this. Now, once I run this program, we can see the output as hello.py, then __main__. Now, since I have run this script hello.py directly as a standalone script, it will get this particular value. Similarly, I will copy this print statement. I will go to program.py. I will paste it in here and I will change this file name, which is program.py, save the program, and I will run this program.py file now. Now again, in the output, we can see we get the value __main__. Why? Because here we are running this program.py directly. We are running it as a standalone program. So when the Python script is run directly as the standalone program, the name special variable will get this __main__ as the value. Now what I will do is in this program.py, I will import the hello module that we have. So we will import this hello module, and right now it contains this print statement. So I will come back to this program.py, and now what I will do is I will run this file. So when I run this program.py, what happens is we get hello.py, hello, program.py __main__. Why? Now here we are running this program.py as the standalone program, and the first statement that we have here is import hello. It will import the hello module, and since this hello.py is imported as a module here, this name in hello.py will get the name of the module, which is hello. That's why we get hello here. And then in this program.py, we are displaying the value of this, the name variable. And here, since this program.py is being run directly as the standalone script, it will get __main__. And that's why we get the values in here. Now here in this hello.py, if we place this print inside a function, for example, I will say hello, and it will not take any parameters and it will not return any values. Here I will get rid of that none. Now if I place this print, which is displaying the value of name, inside this say hello function, and if I come back to program.py and if I run this program now, nothing happens. We get only program.py main. The reason for that is this statement is used inside a function and that function is not called anywhere in this code. So when we have the functions, in order to execute the codes inside them, we have to call the functions that we're not doing right now. And that's why the contents of this say hello is not executing here. Now, how we can use this name special variable in our code? In your code, if you want to control certain code to be executed when the script or that file is running as the standalone program, then you can use this name special variable. For example, what I will do is I will modify this print statement. So I will use the print here and I will modify this say hello function also. I will make it take a parameter of type string, and here in this say hello I will display hello, and then I will display the value that we get for this name. Now here, if I want to control which code to be executed when the script is run as the standalone program and when the script is run as the module, then I can do that by using the name special variable. So I will use if, and then I will check whether the name special variable is containing a value which is equal to __ main. If it is true, then it means that this file or this module is executed directly. It is running as the standalone program. So in this case, I just want to say hello. I will call the function and I will provide a value, for example, Anil. So now what happens is, if I come to this hello.py and if I execute this file, we get hello Anil. If I go to program.py and if I run this, we get program.py __ main. We don't get the output from this say hello function. The reason for that is when we run the program.py, the hello module is imported. So when it is imported, this name special variable will get the name of the module, not __ main __. And that's why this function is not called when we import that file here. And that's why this hello name is not executed. Now, if I want to execute that, what I can do is I can just call that function. So it will be name of the module hello and then the function name say hello. And this time I will provide a value, for example, Amul. Now, if I run this file, we get hello Amul as the output here. So by using this name special variable, we can control what part of the code should be executed when the script is run as the standalone program and when the script is run as the import. Now, just for the example, let us say you are working on a large project and you are developing a small feature. If you want to test out that feature, if you want to test the code that you have written, then you can make use of this. So when the module is imported, your test conditions, your test code will not be executed. But if you want to test that particular module, you can run the file individually, and depending on the code that you have written, certain parts of the code will be executed. So this is it, guys, for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.